Cattle. So today we kind of have an update for y'all, but before we get into that, I kind of want to start with a little background. So a lot of y'all know that I am a big advocate and fan of the agricultural industry, but more importantly, I'm a huge fan of the cattle industry. And even further, more than that, Brahman cattle are kind of my bread and butter to life. Well, a lot of y'all know there's a lot of good, high caliber Brahman cattle breeders in the world. There's a lot, and almost nameless how many good ones there are. But in the U.S., there's about 3 that kind of sit to the top of my mind, and a lot of people's minds too. And those, of course, are going to be the big ranches of V8 Ranch, Hudgens, and then, of course, Heritage. So and they're all kind of located in that Hungerford, Bowling, Worden County area, so you kind of know that they're all in that same area, kind of Brahman country, if you will. But like, how does it all kind of fill into today? Well, here at Texas Rose Cattle, one of my good friends, Mickey Buford, owner of Buford Cattle Company, she, as y'all may know from a previous video, has a bull kind of out here we're both kind of shearing, Mr. SRS Costa Manso. Pretty good looking bull. He's a Canadian Manso grandson. Well, she went ahead and brought 7 cows out to go ahead and get bred by this good stud we got. And all those cows are currently out in our pasture right now. And you want to talk about pedigree and background. See, we ourselves at Texas Rose Cattle own a couple V8 cows, and we also own a couple other good pedigreed cattle, and of course a Hudgens cow that's kind of like my favorite cow personally. But we don't have as many, of those nice branded cattle, if you will. I like to see that V8 on the side, or that Hudgens, or a big name brand on the side of my cattle. I like to have a pedigree that backs them. Well, when Mickey brought these 7, she told me she was bringing her better ones. I didn't know she was bringing, some of the best cows I've seen in a long time. Kind of showcase those. I've never seen this many V8 cattle in my herd at one time, and I tell you what, I can almost get used to it. So Mickey, you might have to watch out. You might not get your cows back. No, I'm just kidding. But kind of showcase all those cows today. I'll kind of do a little overview of all of them if you want to go ahead and take a look. So follow me. So, as you can see, we got a whole bunch of cows out here. If you look at all these good cows, well, quite a few of these are actually V8s. 2 of those over there. This one right here is actually a 380 daughter. And we go ahead and got the rest of our cattle back over there. So, yeah, it's definitely a entourage I never would have thought we'd seen. So, here's to looking out for some good, calves in the future from both here at Texas Rose Cattle and Mickey Buford from Buford Cattle. So Mr. SRS Costa over there already trying to get to work. So be on the lookout for calves in the future. And thank y'all for everything. Feel free to like this video and share it, and God bless.